You're here with us, Em and Ted. I'm Em.
And I'm Ted.
Are you?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah. We be playing brother. Ted two sisters.
Brothers. Or sisters, because I'm a sister.
He's a sister. She's daughter.
Gonna do a bit of role reversal today.
I'm gonna be the big brother.
I'm the little brother, and I'm not too happy about that, but that's okay.
Okay.
Play. Oh.
Chapter select.
Uh-oh.
We...
Oh god, someone's calling us!
Oh, okay. It's probably Dathan. We're just gonna wait till this goes.
I've always liked the Skype call.
We should make a metal version. Okay. Chapter select.
Continue?
Oh, wait, is it continue thing?
It's weird. Okay, hold
Wait, hold on.
Oh, I figured it out. Hold on.
Try now.
Okay, it's 3 for some reason. Continue. Okay, we got this. Dude, we got this.
Oh, geez.
Oh, I forgot about this part. I thought we already did this part, though.
Oh my gosh, hold on a second.
What's going on here? I don't like this controller. Oh, okay.
Oh, my controls are all reversed.
Uh-oh.
Oh gosh.
I think we should adjust our controls. Here, let's try something. Pause the game real quick. Can we try ours? Is yours on top or is mine on top?
I just unplugged mine.
Yeah, which one is yours though? Guess it doesn't matter, we'll find out, right? Oops. Alright. We'll just cut all of this out. Okay, this one. Okay.
Oh, I have to restart the game. Wait.
Doesn't help us.
Actually, it does. You get over here. I get over here.
Oh, we're gonna do it on the...
Little brother.
I'm the little brother. What's the action
big
button?
brother interact is space.
So little brother interact is control. Okay. That's really all we need, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, well. What's going on?
Alright, so we're not using controllers. We're gonna use the keyboard. And see how well this goes.
Okay.
Oh, that's right,
Yeah,
you have to
that's
do
me.
this.
Go-
What do
go
I do?
distract him.
Oh, I have to go distract him? I'm not ready for this. Oh god. Oh god, here I go. Come here! Ah! 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 Ah!
Why is it running so slow?
Ah!
You have to forgive us, this one's in 19 frames a second,
Ah!
I
Did that work? Oh my gosh,
guess. That one
this is
was
not
already
working.
broken. Look how beautiful that guy's back is. Covered in warts and all that.
Woo!
Don't distract him, brother.
I got it.
I'm just gonna
don't
hug
worry.
this thing. Oh, my tamanti, bop di bop boo bop boo. Now, we already did this in the last episode.
Yeah. Oh! Just roll reversal.
Hey!
Oh god. Oh. Alright, we did it!
Brother!
Go, brother! Pull it! Pull the lever! Wrong lever!
Why do
Pull
you
the
even have
lever!
that
Pull the
lever?
lever! Pull the lever! Aha.
I am on my way. Let us go the distance.
What am I doing? Step on his fingers! Step on his fingers! Step on his fingers!
Okay, 1, 2, 3. No, hold it down.
Oh.
1, 2, 3. Oh, okay.
Go! 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 Go!
Oh, come on.
Come on! Okay, go! Go!
There we go.
Oh, he died. He's like, go poof. Pick me up, grandmother!
Pick me up before you go.
Oh, you pick him up first.
Gosh, look at her face.
My face?
No, no.
Oh, her face. Are you insulting me? I look like her.
See?
Am I doing okay? Am I doing okay? Look, true love. Bus schedule.
Oh, Dad, the bus stop's that way. Don't call me a bad dude.
Hadouken!
Oh, she's hurt, but don't worry about her. She'll be fine.
Oh god, I can't do this on the keyboard. Okay.
We're gonna have to for this episode, though.
That's fine. It's adventure.
Look at that scenery.
It's so beautiful.
Nah, I wonder.
You're beautiful.
Oh, I hope they find the bus. Easy, Frank. Your kids are they're just out. Oh, jeez, Frank.
Oh.
I just wanted to give you some of these chicken nuggets.
Someone been drinking too much.
Well, I guess the chicken nuggets aren't gonna be eaten anymore. I just like your wall decoration.
I just need the magical bus to get here.
Making me sick, man. Poor guy.
I'm on my way. God, thanks. That's not mine. This one's mine.
No, that one's yours. Look.
We like pop. Oh, that's a bad place to put it. Look, a fire. Look, we made that fire.
We made that fire. Brother, we made that fire, brother.
I'm sleeping. Oh gosh, there's wolves. Wolves! Are they shadow wolves?
Are they just wolves? Are they wolves?
Are they wolves?
Yeah, wolf. Yeah, wolf.
Big brother's like, the F?
You could just kicked him.
Little brother, there's wolves, we need to leave. Got no time for stretching.
Seriously, come on. No, you gotta stay in my vicinity.
That's what I figured. Do they not like the light? Big brother's like,
They just
I
don't
got
like me.
this.
Oh! Let's try that again.
Oh my. Don't hit me with the fire, brother!
Go. Go. Thank you. Oh, I'm so sorry.
Wolfie, wolf, wolf.
Sorry, but not sorry.
So I've come to the conclusion that you see these all over the internet. I want one of those dogs that have been raised by cats when they were little, so they behave like cats, but they're a dog. So it's like having the best of both worlds.
Like
You'd literally have a cat dog.
Oh.
Why are there people hanging? Oh, this is so tragic. You're hitting me with the fire, brother.
I'm sorry, brother. Oh, sorry, brother.
I should have been the little brother this whole time, because it's easier for me to, like, go up in a higher voice than you.
A higher register.
Brother!
Would you just leave?
I'll go take...
Brother, you just leave. Thank you. Thank you, wolf brother.
I can go screech it then, maybe they'll leave.
This is,
This reminds me of Resident Evil 4, when you arrive at a church and you have to fight all those Las Plagas people.
that's probably Latin for zombies.
No.
No.
Spanish for the plague. Not the plague. Is it the plague? I don't know. They're like giant bugs inside these people. It used to be zombies, but then they're like, we're gonna switch it up to a virus, kind of. I forget what it's called.
Knock, knock, knock.
To Las Plagas. And some of them, if you shoot their head off, it like explodes. You're like,
like that.
It's a good description.
You.
Oh, old lady, where's the bus? Bus schedule. Oh, is that a man?
Yeah, it's a man.
Was that a man? Oh,
I'm a man.
I'm so sorry.
The bus schedule. Thank you. We're gonna follow you.
Why is there deep breathing? Is that the man?
Yeah, he's old.
Oh. Da. What are you doing? Shaking your legs. Did you pee?
Thanks, brother. We should get you some cocaine.
Thank you. You shouldn't have thrown your torch away so soon. Wolves don't have glowing eyeballs. Oh gosh! You're screwed. The troll comes out of nowhere. Oh, are we swimming?
Yeah.
What are these lanterns for? How do I swim?
Wait,
oh, I can't swim.
Wait.
What's going on?
no!
Help! I drowned!
I thought I was a little kid for a second. I'm like, why am I going so slow?
Like I can't swim. Oh, we have to do this all over
Okay.
again. Don't let me drown this time, okay?
I will. I mean,
Oh.
knock, knock, knock.
Yes, we get it. Could go ring that bell. Or maybe like, oh!
Oh!
Why does he need a lantern inside when his lights were on?
This is before.
Or his like
This is before light was
other
invented.
lanterns were on. Bus schedule.
There's a wolf over there. Just be careful, okay?
Nah, there's no wolf over there.
Old man, you stupid.
Come on, big brother.
Man, look at this old guy. He's like, oh,
We're young and nimble. Where he's like, ugh.
Jack, be nimble. Jack, be quick. Look
Can
at
I
this
get in
old
his way?
man. Walk like a stick.
Oh, I move out of his way, like automatically. That's neat.
Excuse me,
Move!
old man.
Ata.
And there's a wolf.
But their eyes are glowing yellow. That's like not a thing.
Why is he not in sheep's clothing?
Like I can't swim. You have to grab me now.
I'm the big dude.
Grab me! Grab me! Grab me!
Get on.
Am I on you? Do I have to hold it? Okay. Am I on you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh gosh.
Do I have to hold it? I'm gonna assume I have to hold
This
it.
is really perilous. Without the peril.
Get on that rock, brother! Why are there weird lanterns in the water?
Don't ask.
I'm not used to this keyboard thing here. Look, a bench! There's just a random bench there. I'm gonna
That's
go
just
sit
perfect
in
for
it.
sightseeing, man.
I'm gonna go sit on the bench, brother.
So am I, brother.
Brother, are we black?
Not that I know of. I wish.
Sit in the bench.
This has got me thinking.
Look at that view.
I see a purple idiot who speaks German with a big spunky arch after the puppy. Okay, I'm done. No, I'm done.
It's a good thing we can't fall off ledges.
That's a darn good thing.
Duh.
I guess we're supposed to go this way.
I don't think we're supposed to go this way.
Oh.
Oh.
I don't like this.
Oh gosh! Oh god! Oh! I'll just wait till you cross next time.
See you drop down.
At least we're right here.
Yeah, that's good. We're back at the Giants.
Oh!
The trolls or whatever.
Did you hear that?
I think so.
I thought I pressed it in time.
Man, white man getting jumped.
Alright, let me go first this time.
I just wanted to get a little push up in there. That's a little bit
Don't get on yet, you're gonna fall off.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
It all depends
I
on...
fell off last time. Oh, grab it. Oh god! Oh! What is going on?
Oh, that was supposed to happen.
Oh.
Oh, we're split up now.
Oh gosh.
Help
me! Help me, brother! Oh god! Oh god! Oh, grab it! Grab it! Grab it! Grab it! Grab it! Grab it! Please tell me I grabbed it. Okay, no, grab it. Okay, it's a cutscene. Never mind.
I can control this.
There's something coming to get us. I hear it.
Yeah.
I hear it coming. Help! I'm unconscious, but I'm rotating.
Oh. Well, you know what to do. Sit down in your thinking chair and think.
Oh! 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 I let go. I'm so bad at this game.
It's okay.
Okay. Okay, here I go. Just don't let go! Just don't let go! Okay. Okay, we're good. Wow, he's strong. Oh god! Those things come to life?
Yeah, this is Oz. What do you think you're doing? Go.
Okay,
like,
I have to wait until it...
No, then... Oh, I had to, Okay, that's right.
Oh. Oh, I understand what I need to do. Okay. Wow, he's strong!
Oh, baby.
Oh, oh, get up. Oh god, okay. Uh-oh. Oh! I don't like this!
Get down, get down.
I don't like this!
Well, yeah, I could drop you right now if you want.
No, brother!
Okay. Well, I guess we're gonna have to be that way.
Why are they alive? Trees should not be alive!
This game makes you ask some questions. Some serious questions. Like, why are the trees alive?
This is so intense.
It's like a camper, you know?
Are we gonna continue on more?
Maybe.
I'll get down just in case. Oh! Oh, it's a good thing. Oh. Let me just dive in after you. You don't know how shallow that water is. It could be real shallow,
Never
actually.
mind. Oh, jeez.
Help, I'm unconscious. Help me.
I'm on my way, brother.
Help me, I can't swim. Oh, I guess I should have.
Gimme.
I'm
You're talking like Yoda? What?
Do or do not.
Yes.
Are we gonna be successful? We were at the mall earlier today, and there was this like Yoda like figure 8 ball kind of thing. So we were asking it questions, and we asked, "Will we be successful?" And it was like, "Meditate on this, I will." And then we got really sad.
Just like, oh, not even Yoda knows.
And there was this lightsaber pizza cutter there too. So we asked it if we should have it, and it said no.
Is it no? Oh goodness, this is wonky.
Oh, what is that thing? Is that real? It's a giant mermaid.
Me, I've been wanting.
Is it a giant mermaid? What is it? Will I find out? Am I gonna be scared? Is this gonna be really tragic?
I don't know how you're gonna react to it. You got goosebumps?
Oh, it's like a giant woman.
No, it is a giant one. It's their mother.
That's their mom?
Yeah. Remember the cutscene?
Like their real mom? Oh, she died, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. She's really pretty.
Yeah, she is. What?
Isn't one of these boys named IE?
Yeah.
So it's the small one?
No.
The big one?
Me, I'm so high on weed right now.
Oh, and the father's there too. Oh god, is she moving? What do we do? Oh, that's creepy! Interact! Let me just pet your forehead. Oh, the brother's not doing too well. Why is he all like, ooh?
Me, I'm just stoned
Do I have
right
to go
now.
to father? I went to father. That seemed to be the right thing to do. Oh. Oh. Oh, what's going on? Oh, don't kill him! Don't kill him! Oh, he's beating him up!
Man, I'm so sick of you.
Both of your parents are right there. Are you just gonna accept this?
Oh, her eyes closed, as you can see.
Great parenting of the year award goes to them. That was sarcasm.
He was dreaming. Brother, you know I'd never beat you up.
Wait, little brother was dreaming?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I didn't beat you up unless I actually wanted to. See, I hug you right now.
Big brother, I'm gay. That's not appropriate.
Stop hugging me, little brother. You're weird.
I have these feelings when I see boys. I can't help you there. Let me lead the way for a while. You do.
Man, I am the big brother.
All you do is lead. I
Wait,
wanna.
come here.
Oh. Oh gosh, they're gonna hang themselves. Don't do it. Oh! Pick him up! Pick him up!
Go up there.
Oh, I get to go up here. Okay. Oh. God,
Yeah,
climb.
hold on,
Okay.
there you go. We on the bayou.
I'm trying! I can only move so fast! To just drop him? Oh, he has a hairy chest. I like the hairy chests. Actually, I don't. All that much. Where are we supposed to go?
Are you not seeing
Are you
this?
rotating the camera? What am I supposed to be looking at?
There's burnt bodies under there.
Oh! Under this?
Yeah.
Oh, there are. What?
Interact.
Oh, I have to do it? Can you be quiet? I can't concentrate on what I'm doing. What am I doing, by the way?
Moment of silence.
This is a long moment. Stop, I'm praying. Oh, look at the feet.
Yeah.
The feet marks.
Footprints.
I like feet marks better.
Well, I guess we'll just leave him alone then.
He's fine.
He's probably just gonna jump off the cliff anyway.
And they're not. Oh, God, I can't see. Okay. I'm
Oh.
coming! God, you're rude.
I'm your big brother. I'm supposed to be rude. Look at that. See that? That's my butt. That's how rude I am.
Pull the lever. Oh.
I wonder when we're gonna. What exactly am I looking at here? Oh, there you go.
Oh. Okay.
I wonder when this part's gonna be over.
I don't know. What am I supposed to do? Grab the propeller.
Yeah.
Whee! When do I?
You gotta jump across.
Oh, Jesus. We all know I'm really bad at this. Ah! 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 Oh! I did it!
You got it. You got it.
Oh my gosh.
Now, what you do, brother? Is you go down there?
I jumped from like way up there. Oh.
No, nothing pop, dude. That's how we make soda pop.
Okay, pull the lever. Come on, brother.
Don't you boss me around.
No, I will boss you around. There's weird noises in the atmosphere.
I think it's a good.
Look, another bench. It's like people know I love to sightsee. I'm gonna sit in it. Wow. Oh, that looks really ominous. We're gonna have to go in there, aren't we?
Yep. I mean, I don't know.
Oh, I can't foresee the future. Is that a tree? It's a tree, like way over there. Right there. You see that tree?
Might be a tree. Looks like it's moving.
Is it a giant? Is it our troll friend?
Jimmy.
Jimmy! Do we get to see him again?
Possibly. I can't remember.
Yeah, don't ruin the game for me.
I've never. Okay, I beat the game. I'll be honest. But I can't remember.
Didn't you beat it in like one day? Oh god, I
Yeah,
keep talking like him.
in
Didn't you beat it in one day?
Yeah, I beat it like in 2 hours.
Oh.
Slowly. You gotta go real slow. Brother.
Now's not the time. Maybe when you're older. I'm older than you.
More than you, fool.
Bus schedule.
Now, it says it's supposed to be around here at 3 o'clock. It's 3:45, man.
It's supposed to be right there.
Right there on that thing. I guess we're too late. Maybe we did another one.
We have to wait for the next one. When is the next bus? To... Where are we?
Fantasyland.
Goats. Brother, let's go play with the goats.
Let's go play with the goat crew. Hey, I need your help, brother.
Push.
Thank you, brother.
Push.
Thank you, brother.
Oh my god! Can I do that too? Wait, how do I do it? Oh, do I have to hold it? Oh
Yeah.
my gosh! I'm riding one of these forever.
I like the music.
Mountain goats are like, I got this. Oh my gosh! Wow, look at them jump!
They must not be white.
It's like the super goats or something. Oh gosh, I'm like on the ledge of death. Oh gosh, oh gosh. Oh, what am I doing? Am I supposed to go that way? Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Yes, I am. Go, goat. There's just conveniently 2 pillars of rocks to climb on, you know?
It's almost like... Oh, wait. Yeah, I remember this. Whoa, wait, look at that. I'm already stuck on the digital pathway. Digital style. Okay, I'm over there now.
I helped you out, brother. Bye, goats.
Wait, come back.
We need
I
you.
was gonna name you Pablo. Maybe.
Oh, it's a person! Hi! Are you gonna kill me? It looks like a mad scientist.
Hey!
It looks like Albert Einstein's son.
Guess what?
3 times removed.
Here.
I have a cogwheel!
You mean I have one?
No, I got the cogwheel. Let me pick up the cogwheel. Ha!
I point.
Where do I put it? Am I going the right? Oh gosh! Oh gosh! Jump! I can't jump with the cogwheel. Help!
I am on my way.
Hanging on the distance.
Yeah.
Take the cogwheel back. You're closer to it than I am.
Yeah, what's up with that guy?
How am I supposed to give this to you?
Wait, you need to come with me.
I know, but I can't jump with the cogwheel. Jump! Jump! Unless there's a different way for me to get around. Oh, I dropped it. Oh, I can. Who picks up the cogwheel?
I don't know. Look at me, I'm moonwalking.
I'm on. Oh, come on. Come on. Okay. Ata. It's not gonna do anything because there's no cogwheel.
Wait a minute.
Someone needs
Well, then
to.
how do I get?
How do we get the cogwheel? Can I go up here? Cross this plank? No? Why would he throw it to us when he could just like hand it to us when we're right here?
I had.
Aya! Oh, I'm coming. I'll just stay here. Maybe since you're bigger, you can jump with the cogwheel. I have an idea. Stay over there.
Oh,
Maybe
wait,
you can throw it to me.
Yeah, I think it's something like that. I can't remember. Goodness, we're going on 30 minutes here.
Are we really?
This
Yeah, we
section's
are.
almost done.
Oh! No!
No, go back over there, brother.
I'll catch it. Oh, God!
Here.
It's like force throw it at me. I have a cogwheel! Cogwheel! Oh, you have to go before me. Oh, I dropped it. Pick it up. Okay.
Look at me. I'm a fairy.
Catch it! Yes? What's going on? Throw it, catch it.
Right.
Ah. Oh. Oh gosh, people keep screaming.
Alright, here we go. Dun, 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 dun,
Do we get to use his flying machine?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's a good time, man. It's a pretty good time. Oh, we can stop now.
Oh. Just keep rotating. Just keep rotating. Just keep rotating.
Rotating.
Look at him walk. He's like,
I get it. What's up here?
it's a crank. Brother, crank.
What is happening? Oh, wait.
I'm supposed to be pushing something. What? You push, I'll crank. Are we making a song? Try pulling it back.
What's the big deal? Huh. I can like cut a lot of this out. A lot of the useless wandering around.
That should be like our thing. I meant to try to make music. Bye, Albert Einstein.
Hey!
Ah. Ah.
What's over here?
Oh, people keep screaming. Someone just texted me.
See if you can look around.
It's your sister. Oh. Oh, it takes two people to zoom out a lot. Hello?
Hi. Ah!
YMCA. Oh, too much? Too much?
Okay.
I don't really see anything there that
We're gonna fly.
we gon' fly. Oh, this is exciting.
Now, this might be complicated.
This whole game is complicated.
Your mom's complicated.
This would give me such bad anxiety. Oh, I see what we have to do. Okay. I see what we're doing. Okay.
Look at the scenery.
This is fun.
This is great art direction.
Oh, we're drifting. We're drifting. Oh god, get back up. Oh, too much, too much, too much, too much, too much. Steady out, steady out. Okay.
Daddy, I should go. Up. Oh jeez, turbulent. This would be like the most fantastic journey.
Oh. Here we go.
Of course.
Oh, and it just
gosh.
starts to break. I'm surprised these kids don't die.
What? Of course they're not gonna die. Look at them. They're children.
We're gonna crash into that.
I think we're supposed to. Okay, we're not supposed to.
Oh, did we die?
Yeah.
Oh gosh.
But the best part of it is we get to try it all over again.
Woohoo.
Yeah, that's the good part.
We get to go through that anxiety-inducing thing again.
Oh jeez.
Whee! Ah! That stone kind of looks like a dog. You see
Oh
it?
yeah.
The music is fun.
The music is really fun.
Oh, turn, turn, turn!
There is a season, turn. I summon you, the birds, to fly towards me. Oh gosh!
Oh!
That wasn't the best idea.
Let's go this way.
Yeah, we'll go around it. Oh, jeez.
Oh, I see where we're supposed to go.
Yeah. We'll probably call it an episode right there. Go on.
Sorry.
Oh my.
Some really intense sounding music right there.
Yeah, it's an intense game. Pull me down.
Bus schedule.
I thought I was supposed to arrive over here, man.
We're chasing this bus down.
I got my little sack of senzu beans. Here, I made you a rope.
You didn't make rope. You picked it up from the wreckage.
Oh, I made it, man. This is our umbilical cord. We were attached at birth.
No.
You're older
Even
than
I
me.
know that's not how it works.
Alright, I guess that's an episode. So,
Yeah.
we will see you guys in the next episode.